Alright, so I got it off, and here's what that looks like. Doesn't look, I mean, so yeah, anyways, that's off. Go ahead and grab this new one and compare the two. So here's the new one. Looks a bit different on the back. Well, no, not really. This must be the original part, the OE part. But it doesn't really look too different. I mean, besides the fact that the teeth on this one are pretty much straight. This one is at like an angle. This isn't turning. I mean, is it supposed to turn? This one isn't either. Oh, you know what? It is. So this one turns and it resets back to the original position. This one doesn't turn at all. So I think it's safe to say this sensor is bad. Yep. So we go ahead and put this one in. And to go about doing that, so you see this here, this little blade, this thing sticking out from the throttle body. That thing turns every time you hit the gas. So anyways, so this sensor, put it in like that at an angle. Well, you find the screws, so the screws are there. So sorry, I was wrong. So anyways, the screws line up like that. You just want to turn it at an angle like that, put it in, turn it back. That's it. You can feel the resistance a little bit, but that's how I was told to put it on. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and screw this in. Again, the screws are lined up. Turn it a little that way, put it on, turn it back. Simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this down and make part 3 to show you how it's running and all the good stuff. Alright guys.